Hello everyone. I'm creating this video to basically show you about where you can get the content example, and this is mainly to help you with setting up your first homework assignment. I've already extended the deadline for this homework assignment until September 4th because some of you haven't probably received your books yet, and so that should give you a little bit more time to work on these assignments. Basically, the idea for the first homework assignment is that you will start bringing a couple of items from the content example and setting up a demo room, which is effectively it gives you a bunch of meshes, and the whole thing is set up as a blueprint to kind of get you started in terms of placement of actors in the scene and how you can actually do little things and get you comfortable with the Unreal Engine environment. So the homework assignment basically is four assignments to do. First is you create a map and you add a new demo room to this map, which comes from the content examples, and then you set up, make certain changes, which shows you how to deal and work with a couple of blueprints that have connections to the editor to set them up. And then you add a SkyDome and make some changes to the SkyDome environment and set up your lights and things like that. A very simple process to do. It shouldn't take that long, but in order to complete this project, you do need to have the content examples downloaded. Now, ideally, when you set your Unreal Engine up in the Epic launcher, you will effectively see Unreal Engine as the editor on the top left tab, and the ones on the right, these are basically games that are developed by Epic. Okay, so we won't deal with any of these. So in the Unreal Engine tab, you will be able to launch whichever engine you have, effectively all the versions so far that have been released, and right now I think we are at 4.13 preview should be released by the time that I was recording this video. And then you will see tabs called Community, Learn, Marketplace, and Library. Library is where all of the engine versions are. Your projects are also populating in the library, and then in your vault you will see the contents that you have downloaded, and you will have access, you'll be able to add to projects. Okay, so what you need is this contents example project, or contents example content. And so I already have it downloaded, and I have all the compatibility versions from 4.0 to 4.12 so far, and this is what you need because that's the demo room is in the contents example. So to get to this content example, you would need to go to the Learn tab, and then when you click on the Learn tab, you will be greeted with the entire documentations and the tutorials and the wiki for Unreal Engine. So if you scroll down to Engine Feature Examples, you will be able to download the demos and the tools that Epic has created that you could actually use for free. So one of the things that you need, or the items that you need for this project is the contents example content. It's kind of like a museum-style project that has a collection of meshes, lights, blueprints, animations, all sorts of things that you would need. So if you click on it, you will go to the content example page, and then you could create, basically you would download it and then you add it to a project. So what you effectively do is you click on Create Project, you choose the engine version that you want to work with. For example, in this case, if I choose 4.11 or 4.12, and then browse for the location where you want this content example project to be set up, and then click on Create, and that should create your content example project with the example contents in it. And then you can actually follow the tutorial steps from the textbook to get the project set up and migrated into an empty project that you created. So I'm going to do don't create because I already have this content created for myself. And And that's that. And then once you have your content example, then you'll be able to actually use the demo room. And the demo room is basically this room that you see all these little cute creatures are set up in it. And it's going to look something like this. It's kind of like a half-open demo room. This is like a closed demo room, and you're asked to play with this feature and then submit your work. I hope this answers your questions. And let me know if you have any other questions. Just email me either directly to my UHV email or through Blackboard, and I'll be happy to help you. I hope this video was a little clarification about what I wanted you to do for the first homework, and I look forward to seeing what you do. Thank you.